This week we are holding the German Iberian seminar of the Wolfgang and Else Heraeus Foundation. And the topic this time is Topological Matter 10 years after the Nobel Prize. We have participants obviously from Germany, as well as from Spain and Portugal, and from other countries as well. And we've been addressing with an introductory public lecture the progress in the subject matter by the Nobel laureate Professor Duncan Haldane last Sunday. And so far we've been addressing topological insulators mainly from the theoretical perspective and also the various phase transitions that involve topological phases of matter. This is very mathematics and theoretical physics biased. However, there are experiments that are essential to confirm these theoretical predictions, and they have been presented here, discussed, analyzed, and we are not done yet. We will continue. So it's been a very, for me, illuminating to see the progress that has been made in the first 10 years. In particular, what we think is where the strong basis of theoretical work and how they can be enriched even further. And this for me has been, you think, okay, you achieve a frontiers of knowledge, but in reality you cross over the frontiers and continue developing it. And these developments in many cases are underpinned by reality, by experiments. Some are not very easy, sometimes it's difficult to reproduce. Phases of matter are going from a microscale, nanoscale and atomic scale, and even further down below the atomic scale. And this has been fascinating. And I hope that some of our young researchers are inspired by this and perhaps pick up one of the strands of the many strands that this discovery 10 years ago unraveled.